All right, everybody, we've got my pal Bubba1441. Come on one time. He's got a little old box of Prizm. We purchased this at Blowout Cards at www.blowoutcards.com. I like Prizm. I open a lot of this stuff, so yeah, I like it. I didn't open any of the football though. I should have, but I was like, like that. I actually made that sound. I went, yeah, the golds. I've pulled as many as 7 golds in a case. I've pulled as many as 3 golds in a pack. I'm not making that up. I got the video to prove it. All right, here we go. Good luck, Bubba. Bubba, I want the Prizm in my belly. Give me the Prizm in my belly. Uh-oh. He's got a little old Yu Darvish. Rookie relevance for Yu Darvish. Nice card. Let me check out the Vaughn feed. How we doing over here on Vaughn? It's looking okay. Yeah, you won something. Tyler Pasternicky. Nice card. Brooks Robinson. Billy Butler. R.A. Dickey. I'm going to set your Yu Darvish aside since it's an insert. Fertilizer plants. What in the... Wow, that's nice right there. Mike Trout, USA. That's a cool looking card, you guys. That's a cool looking card. Aoki. Halliday and Holiday. What? Yeah, that's right. It was like the next day or the day before or something like that. Rookie relevance of Bryce Harper. You got a good box going. This box is already better than my box, and you've only opened like 3 packs. Huh? Trevor Bauer Power. Josh Hamilton. Troy Tulowitzki. Kirk Neuenweiss. Matt Wieters. Cool cards. I don't know what the talk is. Honestly, I don't. I've been really busy today. But I really like Prizm Baseball. So hopefully other people like it as well. And it does something like basketball did. That would be pretty awesome, huh? Anthony Rizzo, you've got a Derek Jeter USA card. Derek Jeter, USA. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Wow, wow, wow. Jared Parker auto. Jared Parker auto. A little something, something. Matt Moore. Brett Jackson. Here's your second autograph. It's Josh Thole. Josh Thole autograph. He's a Met, right? There's 2 autos, but there's also a lot of bonus autos. So a lot of boxes will have 3 autos. But this is one of those where it's not really about the auto, although there are good ones. It's about the Prizm and the inserts. You got a top prospects, Dylan Bundy. Dylan Bundy, top prospect. And I think they did a good job masking the fact that there are no teams. Check out Buster Posey card's awesome. Don't just stand there, Buster Posey. Huh? It's a cool card. Jay Frey, what's happening, buddy? Look at that. Mike Trout MVP. It's hard to tell sometimes if the inserts are Prizm or not. I mean, this one kind of looks it, but it's really hard to tell on the inserts. Mike Trout MVP. Cool card. Derek Jeter. Deion Sanders. Chris Archer. Yoenis Cespedes. You got Joe Mauer, MVP. Drew Pomeranz. Andrew McCutchen. Uh-oh. Whoa, holy shit, you hit a gold, son of a gun. That is awesome, bud. Nice hit. Nelson Cruz. What? Nelson Cruz. 6 of 10. Nice hit, buddy. There's usually at least 2 per case. Not always. I'm going on basketball. There's usually at least 2 per case, but there can be, you know, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, just saying. Yu Darvish. Nice card. That's a really shiny card there, buddy. I'm going to try, pal. I'm going to try. I'm all about the pulling the monster now. Paul Konerko. Dale Thayer. I don't even know who the hell that guy is. Yes, there are Strasburg USA autos. So I don't mean that there aren't any good autos. I just mean that that's really not the focus. You know, your inserts, like the USA inserts, these are incredible cool cards. Steven Strasburg. Speaking of the devil, USA. Bo Jackson. Bo knows Prizm. Yeah, we just hit George Brett too. So did. Justin Verlander, USA insert. Verlander. Kate, I was on Team USA. Bryce Harper. Come on. Yeah, the cards are super thick, guys. These are really, really thick cards. Wei-Yin Chen. Wow, that's a great card to hit a Prizm of. It looks like the Prizm are marked on the back. Let me see. Yeah, the Prizm, I think they say Prizm on them, where the others don't. Yeah. Alright, so that'll make it a little easier to find. That is a great card to hit the Prizm of, I'll be honest with you. Wei-Yin Chen, Prizm. Basically, it's the refractor, but they're really rare. You know, there's usually 2 or 3 a box. This is a 2012 product. So Harper and Trout are legitimately rookies in this. So are other guys like, I'm trying to think, who else was a rookie? Matt Moore was a rookie. Jeremy Bolts. You usually get 1 of these per box, and there's what, I think 4 of these are autoed per case. Jeremy Bolts. Donnie Baseball, Scott Diamond. They do that a lot. They put 2012 products out a lot like this. Hector Sanchez. I think they were just trying to take advantage of the whole Prizm craze they had created. Hector Sanchez, Prizm. Cal Ripken. Dylan Betances. Look at that. You hit another Mike Trout. Mike Trout Brilliance. I think the Brilliants are 1 per box. It's one of the rarer inserts, you know, as far as an insert set. So you hit a great name. Mike Trout Brilliance. The reason I say that is because in my vast experience of opening 2 boxes, I've hit one each. Alright, guys. I really do apologize about the feed last night. Greg Maddux, Dominance. Nice card. Good old Greg Maddux. Stan Musial. Brett Laurie. Elvis Andrews. Yeah, I think you did pretty good, bud. Pretty good. And, oh, how about a little old Derek Jeter? Dominance. Insert. Huh? Okay. Ozzie Smith. Elian Herrera. David Price. Alright, so here's a recap of your box, buddy. I think you did really good. You've got Yu Darvish. Rookie Dominance. I'll try to keep track here. Derek Jeter. Or Rookie Relevance, sorry. These are Dominance. Greg Maddux. Mike Trout Brilliance. Hector Sanchez Prizm. Jeremy Baltz. You've got a Wei-Yin Chen Prizm. Got a little old Bryce Harper card. You've got USA of Strasburg and Verlander. You got an awesome Nelson Cruz Gold, bud. That's a great hit. I mean, honestly. MVP of Mauer and Trout. You got top prospects of Dylan Bundy. You got Thole and Parker as your autos. A Derek Jeter USA. Rookie Relevance of Bryce Harper. And a Mike Trout USA. Alright, so you hit one top prospects, Dylan Bundy. So these are probably one per box. You hit one Brilliance, and it's Mike Trout. Again, probably one per box. You hit two Dominance, and you hit Jeter and Maddux. Pretty good. You hit two of the MVP inserts, and you hit Trout and Mauer. You've got two Rookie Relevance. How about that? Yu Darvish and Bryce Harper. It's like Carnage's box the other day. And the USA cards, you hit four USAs. Mike Trout, Derek Jeter, Justin Verlander, and Steven Strasburg. Other than missing the Bryce Harper in the USA, I don't know how you could have done any better with those. You did hit a Bryce Harper. I pulled it out just for whatever. One of the Elite Edition. So that is your box, bud. I think you did awesome. Absolutely awesome. So congrats, and I'll post this up for you tonight.